There we go. Alright, that should fix the... Alright, that fixed the small box in this episode, which I'm sorry about.
I guess shoes by Cinderella would have been too obvious. Luxury apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that. Some can sometimes be a disciplinarian.
You're still standing there, aren't you?
Beauty?
Hello, Bigby. I wasn't expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd, but there's an explanation, I swear.
Why'd you hide when I walked up?
Well, I didn't know who it was. You can't be too careful these days.
No, you can't.
Damn it, I'm late. Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier. Just, please. Promise me?
Sure,
You promise?
I promise.
Thank you, Bigby. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
Alright, here's my reasoning behind it. Beauty seems more level-headed than Beast.
Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it,
So,
Bigby.
I figured if I get on her good side, she'd be able to calm down Beast. But Beast is on the good side. Beauty. I feel like this is gonna be real bad. I'm getting rid of Beast like that.
Hey, you awake?
Grimble.
Probably for the best.
Siri, who's Grimble? Grimble is a children's book by food published by Collins in 1968. Christmas was published in the book was issued by Alright. Yeah.
Flycatcher needs to dust this guy.
Okay. again. Do it again. Do it again. Last time. Touch it. Dang it. Alright. Look at this.
Been a while since I got any mail. Seventh day in a row.
Jesus Christ, man. Make some friends though. Stare at it.
Damn thing fell off again.
Do it.
How much longer is this gonna go on?
Let's see yours.
You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
You would too. You can look at anything but your name. No? Alright.
You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
Let's see how it is. Oh, it's coming for you. Anything of interest. Just to buy. Nothing in the trash or. Did it.
You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
Hello, man.
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Hello, beast.
So, have you?
Silence.
Motherfucker.
Oh, I have said Whoops, daisies. Hello. Yeah, that's actually pretty good drink I have here. 204. Apparently the smallest apartment in the woods. By the way, I'm gonna ask Siri a lot of things if I don't understand what's going on, just because.
Damn, should have cracked a window. What a night.
Yeah, you got punched. Let's have a look it up. You! That. I want that water. You look. Not moving your feet, are you? Alright. Let's see what's in the freezer first.
Damn it.
I don't have any ice. It's not that hard to fix it. Okay, now look at this. Alright, now we gotta do this. Alright.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
Apparently to hold cigarettes. Why do you put cigarettes in that? What is this?
Bluebeard's file.
Who's Bluebeard?
Never trusted this guy.
I don't know. Siri, who is Bluebeard? Bluebeard is a French folktale, that most famous surviving versions of which was written by Charles Perrault and first published by Barbin in Paris in January 1659 in stories constates the tempus passi. Wait, I don't know if I pronounced that way. The tale tells the story of a violent nobleman in the habit of murdering his wives and attempts of one wife to avoid the fate of his predecessors. Alright. That mystery has been solved. It's my one fan!
Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
Bad chickies. Jesus Christ, dude. Cigarettes. How do you have cancer? Are you the cure? Probably
At least this still works.
not. Does it? Does it really?
Should help. At least this still works. Not again. Hey, Colin. Get up.
Again.
Hey,
Do it again.
hey.
Now you're repeating yourself.
Oh, hey, Big B.
I think
I'm in your chair, huh?
that's
I've only got the one. So yeah.
hey. It's like the size of a normal pig. Hi, pig. Colin, bring it in with us. Jesus.
Got a smoke?
Jesus, everybody just wants to smoke in this game. For crying out loud. Chill out, you guys.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
I won't.
Calm down. I'm not sending you back.
And you, I won't.
That for me?
I don't know.
Nope.
Maybe.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
I took a sip. I was just hungry.
It wasn't murder. I was hungry.
Yeah, well, I'm hungry now. You don't see me tearing the flesh off of your bones.
But you would if you could.
Probably.
Ah,
But, no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.
punched a guy.
Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
My job.
I was doing my job, believe it or not.
Your job is to beat the shit out of fables.
Sometimes.
Sometimes I take them to the farm.
Fuck you.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
Beauty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I told her I'd lie for her.
Right, yeah. That's real nice of you. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't make sense.
Just give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
I kind of want to do this. Oh, give him the drink.
Thanks, Bigby.
Maybe I get you sleep. Now you can talk. Now you take a nap. I did it. Well, alright. Sorry about that, buddy. Where's Pig? Pig. Pig? No? Can I go in there? That's where Pig is. Jesus Christ.
Bigby!
Snow?
Come with me.
Did you catch your shiny Pokemon? Tell me to call it shiny Pokemon.
Snow. Snow!
What?
Oh,
Sorry, I'm... What is it?
what happened?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Oh,
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
He's still asleep. Jesus Christ.
No.
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right?
Tyler, this is a dramatic moment.
Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks familiar. I can't place her, though.
Just a girl. We didn't have a whole lot of time to chat. The woodsman. He attacked her and I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible. It took me a second to realize what I was even looking at.
So, who found her?
I did. She was just like this. I didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with. Then, I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
No. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. Have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed. For us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
What is?
Oh, there's veins.
It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I. Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Alright, there's blood over here.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour, maybe? No signs that it's been here long. Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much. Just some loose trash. Surprised the garbage men can even find their way here. Yep, more blood.
Yep.
Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, then left the trail I found earlier. Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough.
So this one's
nobody there.
You didn't move. Alright. Oh.
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on?
Someone brought her in from the outside.
That makes sense. There's no signs of a struggle. But how do you know?
I found a trail of blood.
I saw it, but
What is it?
it doesn't mean someone definitely brought it from outside, right?
We'll see.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him. I know you don't like him, but he's our boss. This is part of the job. It's the right thing to do. Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
I am messing this. I'm gonna get the bad ending, aren't I? Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Hello. Hello. Hello.
What are you, blind? Why, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
I work here.
And what great work you do, Sheriff.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Fucker.
Jesus Christ.
Accuse me of impropriety. Yes, I see.
I...
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, is that how you see things?
Yes.
Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Yeah, her pimp.
Her... was she,
Yeah. She was worried about a money situation.
Well, this is just wonderful. Not only is a Fable killed, but it was a Fable hooker to boot. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us.
The guy who's shouting.
Snow,
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Don't
Jesus
bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff, or we'll find someone who can.
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and...
Yeah, I don't care.
Never mind. Smoke away.
Who gets a massage this early?
Crane. It doesn't really matter the time of day. A mere scent of stress and he's out the door.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
I want to be your friend.
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Two things that, Siri.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
Buffkin.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Not
It
great.
hasn't been a great morning, Buffkin.
Sorry.
Not your fault. Thanks for asking, though.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian? Hi, this
Siri,
is Snow White, Mr.
Who
Crane's
is King
assistant.
Cole?
Hi, yes, I'm just calling to let you know that Mr. Crane's schedule seems to have filled up for the rest of the day, and he's coming in early for his appointment. Yes, that's right. Mm-hmm.
Siri, what is the
No,
story
we
of
got your
King
invoice.
Cole?
Yes. It should be squared away. Yep.
Should probably pause this. Nope, can't find anything. Alright. Siri, who is Buffkin? I can't find anything. I'm gonna look in the Book of Fables. Snow White. Bad guys. Blue beard. Mondays. Buffkin. Here we go. Is this Land of Oz? Okay. Alright, I figured he's from Oz, but I couldn't tell because it was green. Spent his time reading Sailing the Day of the Great Rivers. Something goes from he seems to receive and share his money. He's helping most people. Most time rather be drinking. Someone would fight him a little, but he's only makes sense of the filing system. Ah, good. Weird. Why does he have that more weird? Alright, I don't care. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try to get better on my endings, so I will see you guys in part 3. Bye.